Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I have Scrappy out again. This time it's almost dark, but hopefully I can fly it with these pretty bright lights. If you saw the Maiden, I stalled, crashed, and broke the prop, but luckily I have a spare UMX Turbo Timber prop that I made fit somehow, and it has thrust, so let's try and fly it like this. Let's see how it goes. Okay, here goes nothing. Try and keep my speed up in turns. Let's use half flaps. And it really took off. I need some trimming. Okay, that looks better. Hope it's visible. Lights are good, but not ideal. Yeah, so this thing is pretty floaty. On that Maiden crash video, ooh, why is it so high? But maybe I should keep it high so I don't stall. On the Maiden video, there are a few that commented that it's a bad plane. I don't really feel that way, although I'm not happy I crashed it, but it was probably my fault. So it's a scale plane. It's probably not meant for aerobatics. And yeah, it's just a plane that stalls easier than others. It's heavier than, I'll say, a UMX Turbo Timber. Probably double the weight, so what can you do? Flying it pretty slow now. Also keeping it relatively high because of the cars, but you know what, I can fly this on the other side. Can give it some throttle here. Forgot I have this side. Man, it's getting cold. I don't know if it's so bright enough to see. You can see the white parts at the bottom of the hill. It's not snow, but it's frost. It hasn't melted because it's been getting pretty cold at night. And during day, although it's sunny, spots where the sun doesn't get to shine, they still stay frosty. Yeah, it's getting pretty cold right now. Okay, I'm gonna try getting it lower. No throttle. Full throttle. And it's invisible almost. It's a bit hard to see when it's going away from me. But yeah, those lights are really bright. I like them. Ooh, now it's invisible. Now it's back again. I was afraid it would be harder to fly, because usually this low light is the hardest. It's right around 5 p.m. so lots of people going home from work. The battery's getting kind of low. Oh, 15 volts. Still have a few minutes. Yeah, so I tried Why is it pitching up like that still? I tried rolls with it. They're not really fast. Loops are okay. Yeah, so it's just relaxing aerotherapy for me playing. Except if I stall it. I gotta be careful for that. Got the props ordered. Got 2 of them just to make sure. But, you know, if I have a spare, I'm probably never gonna need it. That's Murphy's Law. Haven't broken a prop in so long. Wow, and it's slow. I think it might be the prop as well. I'm flying on 4S, 300 milliamp. Yep, 5 minutes are up. I should probably think about a landing. I would like to land on the road, but still so much traffic. Let's see what we can do. If not, I'll try and land on this side here. Daylight's almost gone. Cars keep coming. Where is it? Okay. Looking at the road, kind of lost my bearing. Don't stall, don't stall. Yeah, even at full throttle, it's unbelievably slow. But as I said, I think it might be the prop. Oh, come on, cars. Go away. And they just keep on coming. Okay. Let's go back on this side. I'll try to land on this dirt road right here. What's the worst that can happen? Break a prop. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it before Christmas, but I won't have much time to fly anyway. Okay, let's try and get lower. Just wants to climb. Flaps still high. Man, it's crazy, so many cars. Come on, no stall on me now. I even need flaps. Ooh. Ah, oh god, and it stalled again. But this time I was off throttle. Man, this thing's tricky. Okay, let me go get it and inspect the damage, if any. Hopefully not. Whoa. Well, props in one piece. Landing gear looks fine. Tail wheels okay. Yeah, so we're golden. But it's pretty much invisible now. Oh no, I can see it on the screen. Hopefully it will be visible in the video. If not, it is what it is. I tried my best. Yeah, so definitely a plane I need to get used to. If you have any tips or tricks, I really appreciate them. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!